Hello and welcome to Africa Digital Library. My name is David, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you very quickly how you can delete a property from Google Analytics. So for some reason, you might find that you've added properties onto your Google Analytics that you no longer want, and you want to get rid of them. Let's go to Google Analytics. I want to assume that you've already signed into Google Analytics. There are quite a lot of things here. So just go straight to the admin button right below here. Click on the admin button. When you click on the admin button, this is going to open up. There are quite a number of things here. So let's just look for a property setting. So let's go to property setting, and when you click on the property setting here, the properties that you have are going to show here and industry category. So this is Africa Digital Library. Now this is the selected property for now. And if I delete it, I would just say move it to the bin. But now this is not the property I want to delete. I quite have a number of properties here, so I can choose the property that I want to delete from here and click on it here, from here, and then I'm now brought to this property, and I can say move to the rubbish bin, and this property is going to be moved to the rubbish bin, meaning I can no longer keep track of. Would you like to connect this property? Skip for now. So that property has been moved to trash. So if I check on my properties now here, I can see all seasons adventures has been deleted. So again, if I want to delete, because right now I don't want most of the properties here. I don't want to bring paparazzi. I only want to stay with Africa, and there are 8 more other properties. What the hell am I doing with all these properties? So I'm going to go back to the home button, and here I'm going to select the property here, green paparazzi, and then again, I'm going to go to property settings and then say green paparazzi. I no longer need it, and I'm just going to move it to the bin. So you can repeat this for all the properties you have, and until you say I'm done with all my properties, because now you can see, let me get back to admin. So, and I say property setting. Right now, the property that is selected is Africa Digital Library, which is my very own blog. And by the way, you can support this blog because it gives you all the best news around Africa, the breaking news. And it's also an information hub. If you want to know or read or learn anything about Africa in terms of the African cultures, African history, arts, entertainment, and everything, you can just go to that blog and visit the Explore Africa tab on the menu, and you will be able to see anything about Africa, the geography, the countries, and much more. So without much ado, this is also, there are 8 more other properties here. What are these properties? So I think now what I have now is what I like. It's Africa Digital Library, and that is all I want here in my analytics. So I've gotten rid of those properties that I didn't want. So that is basically how you get rid of properties from your Google Analytics. I repeat, just to give you a recap, go to the admin, and then when you go to admin, click on property setting. Once you click on property setting, it's going to show you maybe your default property here, maybe blog or website. But if this is not the one you want, then you move on to this side and select the one you want from here. And after you select it from here, then it will be displayed here, and then you move it to the bin. That is it for now, and that is how you remove a property from Google Analytics. This is Africa Digital Library, and if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up so that other people can find this video. As usual, Africa Digital Library, it's all about ensuring that you get the very best of knowledge, especially for the African man, so that we square up with the world. Let's not be left behind as the backward ones. Thank you. Hope to see you in the next video.